everybody, welcome back to Virtual Academy. So in the continuation of the course for C++, this is my next video and it is based on Turbo C++. Actually it is the editor, or we can say the compiler, that I will be using for my tutorials. So let's start. We have many more editors, or we can say the IDEs. IDE means the integrated development environment. We have CodeBlocks, NetBeans, CodeLite, C++ Builder, Eclipse, Dev, C++, and many more. We can use any of the editors or IDEs for coding in C++, but I will use the Turbo C++ because according to me it is the simplest one to start as a beginner. So let's start, and I will be using the 3.2 version of C++. Okay, this is the C++ editor. I will just give you a demo for the addition of two integers today. So let's write the code. These are the options, or we can say these are the menus of the editor, and you will be knowing each and every option as we will move further. Today we will start with the file creation for the C++ source file for addition. You just go to file menu and click on new. This is the button to close the file, and this is the button to maximize the file. Okay, I will just write the code. Actually I'm giving this demo only to show you that how to write the code, or what is the result of the compilation process, and how to run the program, and what is the where the output will be shown, so you are not to bother about the coding. num1, this is the next integer I'm declaring, num2. Let me initialize the variable with some values. 12 equals to 56. Okay, I'm done with the coding. I have included the header file. This is the main function, the driver function of the C++ coding. The starting place of the function and the ending place of the function. This is the code I have written for addition. Two variables are declared and initialized with some values. I have put the value of number 1 on the screen and then number 2 on the screen, then the addition result, and I have used the arithmetic operator plus for addition. So let's compile the program first. Go to compile menu and use the option compile, and we can also use the shortcut key Alt F9. So in compilation I'm getting an error. To check the error, just press an key, and the error is function getCH should have a prototype, and it means the function I'm using getCH belongs to a a header file and I have not included the header file. So the header file it belongs to is include. Header file is conio.h. To save the file, go to file menu and click on save, and you can also use the function key F2 for that purpose. Save the file with the proper name demo addition. With the CPP extension, click on OK. Again compile the program. Okay, in the compilation result it is error free. Press the enter key, go to run menu and run the file, and this is the output. The value of addition of num1 and num2 and F7, please ignore this because this is the result of the previous run. So to erase the previous screen, what you are to do, just put the function clr for clear, scr for screen, and it belongs to the header file conio.h. It will just clear the screen before putting your output on the screen. So just again I am compiling the program. Alt F9 I am using, error free. Control F9 for running the program. Num1 12, I initialized num1 with 12. I initialized num2 with 56 and the addition result is 68. So it is all about the program for addition of two integers. So this is the editor where we write all the coding. Okay, this is the message box which will show the error messages we will be having after the compilation, and this is our output screen.